Hello friends, my name is Atman Trivedi and I am here to tell you my short story, or else you can tell kind of short journey. So basically right now I am in overseas education consultancy, and I was here to complete my desire by going abroad for my further studies. And I think in this generation every single student desires the same, to go abroad, countries like US, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and whatnot. But as far as that is concern of my education academics were not up to the mark. Usually students take 4 years to complete their bachelor's degree, that is engineering degree, but I took 7 years. So I lost every hope and every single thing. But I visited many consultancies. I almost met 13 to 14 agents, but the answer was no. But at last, via reference, I met Mr. Dipal Chudasma of I Overseas Education, and he told me yes. At the first instance, I was like, no, that is not possible, because many big consultancies, big shots already told no. But he told me that just come and visit our consultancy once, and we'll tell you the whole process, that what all we'll do for you to get admission. So he even suggested me the best country, that is Czech Republic, which is located in Europe, which is the heart of Europe. And I Overseas Education has sent many students, around 650 students they have sent to the Czech Republic, and I am also one of them. But still, I started my process in 2020, when the pandemic was already hit our India, and I think the whole world, not even India. So at that time I started my process with I Overseas Education. Hiral ma'am and Dipal sir were counseling me at that moment of time. In November, on November 30, 2020, I was having my interview for February 2021 intake, but coronavirus was, it stopped. So I got my visa got rejected for the February 2021 intake, and obviously I was very down at that moment of time. But yes, every single member of I Overseas Education told me to stay calm and have patience. And again in September 2021, I reapplied for MBA for my course in Czech University of Life Sciences Prague, which is in Czech Republic, in Prague. I was little bit hassle daisy about that what should I do exactly with my file. Should I withdraw it or should I go for it? So but eventually I reapplied, and I gave my interview on August 19th, and on the 20th day, basically on 8th of September, I got my student visa. And I don't have words, and I can't even express that how to thank Mr. Dipal Chudasma, Hiral ma'am, and even Kishan sir, because Kishan sir also helped me thoroughly with my interview preparation. Everyone has made their own efforts in their own way, but still. So thank you so much, I Overseas Education. I know that thank you so much is also a little word for that, but still. And I highly recommend I Overseas Education for all the students who desires to go out of abroad. Out of India, abroad for higher education studies. So thank you so much, guys, and hope to see you soon, very soon in Prague. Thank you.